Paku Ovelle is the rental company for the vans, so you can bring stuff that you don't need to your home, and the parking lot continues. And behind it is the Ring Road 3, so it's the most busiest road in the whole Finland. In a Q&A we told that we are not actually staying overnight in a loud parking spots, but now we are here. We are actually testing the Boondock on the yard of the Ikea. There's no really reason for this, there's no point, but we just thought that it would be fun to test this out.
And I think this Ikea furniture stores are kind of European Walmarts because the parking lot is so huge and there's no restrictions.
Yeah, and there's also some facilities, for example toilets that are free, and there's actually a restaurant that is really cost effective.
Yeah.
The meatballs that they do is the most famous thing in Ikea.
Yeah, and cheap hot dogs.
And breakfast €1. When it's below zero during also in the daytime, then we go to the camping ground.
Yeah, we cannot use the water and it gets a little bit complicated, so it's nice to be there because then we can take showers.
Yeah, because the morning showers that we take every morning in our van is most important thing. And if we lose that, then we would need to wake up hour before, go to work and go shower there.
And I don't even have a shower in my workplace.
So.
Welcome to Combat Kitchen, and today's supper we are going to use our Omnia oven, this little thing, and it's filled with potatoes and pollock, and I'm going to add some eggs and all kind of leftovers, so half paprika, ginger, then we have this really good dill paste. And actually we have tofu here.
And also more ginger.
Yeah, the fresh one and everything. So I'm going to make a little sauce here.
So what's in the sauce?
You could put cream here or something, but we kind of run out, so it's just water. Water and eggs and spices. And I'm going to pour it here. So it will be, I don't know the word, but it thickens.
Pata.
It thickens and it makes it pata. So
it's in Finland. We call it pata.
Yeah.
Pataruoka.
Pataruoka. Then we just put the gas on and let it soak for maybe 25 minutes or 1 hour.
There's pollock in your pollock.
So cold outside.
So because the food is taking so long, actually it's 40 minutes now.
It's almost ready. Look, all the steam.
Yes, we are actually starting to watch some YouTube and it's getting pretty dark in here.
Yeah. Dark outside. Luckily we have these lights.
Yes, it's totally comfy. And as you can see, we have actually the insulation in the front of the van.
Because freezing temperatures outside.
Yeah, it's now +1 and it's I think 7 or 8 p.m. at the moment. This is our normal evening. We watch YouTube and as in normal apartment we make oven foods as in normal apartment
Yeah.
Actually, we are ashamed of using the wood stove here in the parking lot before the Ikea closes. So we're gonna actually put the stove on
when the staff leaves.
Yeah.
When the Ikea is closed and the staff leaves, because the wood stove, when you start burning it and the chimney is really cold, it smokes so much outside, so there will be like tons of smoky clouds.
I think it will be 10 minutes when the food is ready and we can actually...
then we can eat our fish dishy.
Fish dishy at the moment look like this.
Yeah, foamy.
Foamy things.
No foamy, but moist. Misty thing. Kinda loud still.
I don't know.
But it's going to be loud all evening.
I don't see it is being really loud.
Yeah, but no trucks like going right past.
But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely?